Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Google Drive so you can access and work with your files easier. So first, go ahead and open your Claude account. Then from here, you want to click this plus icon, choose connectors, and then add connector. Now this is where you can link Claude to different apps. From here, you want to look for Google Drive in the connectors directory and then click on it. So here, choose connect, and you will be asked to sign into your Google account and also approve some permissions. This allows Claude to view and use your files securely. And once you've connected, you're good to go. Now, instead of manually searching through folders, you can just ask Claude to do it for you. For example, you can say, find your latest documents or open your project files, or even ask how many files you currently have on your Google Drive. Once you do that, Claude will pull them up instantly. You can also ask Claude to summarize documents, analyze spreadsheets, or even create reports based on your files. So basically, that's about it. Connecting Claude to Google Drive basically turns all your files into something Claude can understand, organize, and work with without you doing everything manually. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!